Good morning, students. I am Virgin Arockia Mary, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, Arul Anandar College, Karumathur, Madurai. Today, I am going to teach about mail merge. Okay. So, I think you are all familiar with mail merge. So, first one, mail merge is a useful tool that will allow you to easily produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes, name tags and more using information stored in a list, database or spreadsheet. Mail merge consists of combining mail and letters and pre-addressed envelopes or mailing labels for mass mailing from a form HR. It is a powerful tool for writing a personalized letter or email to many people at the same time. It imports data from another source such as a spreadsheet and then uses that to replace placeholders throughout the message with the relevant information for each individual that is being used. In simple words, mail merge is sending the same letter to multiple persons. If you want to invite your friends for your birthday party, the body of the letter is same for all the friends, and also the from others also same. So you have to change the two others only. In that time, we can move on to mail merge concept. Okay. So sending same letter to multiple persons is called mail merge. So, today I am going to show you the demo with the help of the mail merge. Okay, with the help of the Word document. So, I use the Word document 2013 version. Okay, so here we can, when you open the Word document, you can see the Home tab by default. So, you have to move on to Mailing tab. Then, in the Mailing tab, you can go to the Stored Mail merge. Okay, in that, what is mail merge? Create own document and send it to multiple people. Okay, so we can insert field, that is the field means the name, address. Okay, so first we click here and then choose the step-by-step mail merge wizard. When you click, the mail merge wizard will appear in the right hand side. See, this is the mail merge wizard. Okay, so first we have to select the document type. Okay, so what type of document that you are using? A letter or a mail or envelope or label or a directory. So today I will show you the letter type. Next, on the bottom you can click sorting document. So in the sorting document you have to select which type of document that you are going to use. The current document, that is we opened this one, or starting from a template already a predefined format, or a stored document. If you store a letter already in the Word, or that you are going to use or not. So I use the current document, so I click use the current document. Next, move on to the bottom and click on select this page. So use an existing list. For example, if you already created a set of lists, then you can click this one, use an existing list. Otherwise, you can go to the Outlook also. But I am going to create a new list. Suppose if you choose use an existing list means it will show the browse option. Okay, browse means you can select the recipient list from the already stored list. So now we are going to type a new list. So click on here, type a new list. When we click on the type a new list, it will create a option create. So click on here create. So a new address list window will appear. You can see a list of field, title, login, company name, address line. So for sending letter, we don't need this field. Okay. So you can click on customize column. So what are the fields you can need, you can use it, otherwise you can delete it. So title is not necessary. Okay, so delete. Then first name okay, last name okay, then company name. So if you are sending the letter to a friend or any others, the company name is not needed. Okay, so address line delete. Address line only okay, no problem. So also okay, then we are sending the data to only within the country, so these things no need. Okay. So what are the things that you want, you can include. Otherwise, you can delete it. Okay. If you want to add one more thing, you can add it. Okay. So in our country, we are using not zip code, postal code. Okay. So PIN number. So if you want to add one more thing, you can click add. So PIN. So if you want to move the field up and down, you can use move. Okay. So if you want to set the field pin in the up, you can click on move up. Otherwise, just move down. Okay. So I want to delete this last name also, so I just delete. So only this field I include. Okay. If it is okay, this customized address is okay. Now you can enter the field data. So Raga, I just give 3 data from okay, address line. If you type one list of data, then you can click on new entry. Then you will show the other data. So if you finish this address list, you can click on OK. Next, you have to store it in the data source field. So the address list is now stored as a database. Okay. So in a table format. Then click on save. So we can check the address list also. If it is okay, click OK. Next, in the bottom, you can click write your letter. So already I typed the letter. So from the principal of Arul Anandar College, he invites the alumni or the alumni. So first I type the then the from address, then to, and you have to leave the to address space. Okay, you should not type the to address here. You have to leave space. Then dear alumnus, then the body of the letter. So I am happy to invite you, inform that our alumni is to be conducted. So you have to type the body of the letter. At the end of the letter, you can type thanking you and the date and the place what are the things that you want to add in the letter, you can type it. Okay. If the letter is over, now you can go to this one, more items. Okay. So in the more items, before go to more items, you have to click on the to address. Okay, where you want to insert the fields, no, you have to click the cursor here, the correct location, then move on to more items. Now you have to insert each field. Okay, so first I select first name, insert, then address line, insert, then address line 2, insert, then city, insert, then state, insert, the third, fifth one, insert. So if you insert all the fields, then click on close button. Okay, now all the fields are inserted. Before going to merge the file, you have to align this address field. Okay, so first you have to align this address field one by one. Then you have to go through the letter. If the format of the letter is okay, the space between the letters and the date, if everything is typed, if it is okay for you, then you can move on to the next step. Okay. So before going to send the message, you have to verify if everything is correct. So I will click the date. Then please. Okay. If everything is okay, now you can go to the menu tab, this one, finish and merge. Click here. Then choose edit individual letter. Before merging that, if you want to preview your letter also, we can preview at the bottom. Okay, we have the option to preview our letter. Okay, if it is everything is okay, now you can click on edit individual document and select all records. Okay, if yours today I type only 3 letters. Okay, 3 recipients. Suppose if you have 100 persons each type, you can go for from first person to 10th person. Okay, like that. Or for only current record, you can click here. Otherwise, you can click all. Then, okay. Now, you can see here another Word documents with merged field. See, from, then the two addresses, same, and the second letter, second person, and the third letter for the third person. So, this is the way that we can send in messages to multiple persons with the help of the mail merge. Okay, students, I think you can learn from this demo. Thank you for watching. Thank you, students.